Hi guys, and welcome to
HitchUpAndTow. Today, as you can see, we're in the car. We haven't got a caravan on the back because we are going to the storage yard because the caravan's broken.
Who Broke It?
It was the caravan gremlins.
Oh, and who are they?
Gremlins. Okay, well, we have a caravan place quite close to us, which is just up ahead, called the Red Lion. I thought we'd just pop in to see if they have got one of the brackets, and if they have, then we can get it fitted. The only thing is, I'm not 100% sure if they have different sizes, so we'll find out. See you in a bit. Well, I'm back, and we've got it. Or two actually. I've got a spare, a bit more than I thought they were going to be, but needs must. So I'm not going to go back down to the caravan today, so we'll get down there tomorrow hopefully, and I'll show you putting it on, and hopefully it'll all work well. Okay, we're back at the storage yard. The part of the caravan which is broken is this locker door. If we unlock it, as you can see, it's broken. It's done by gremlins. So what we got is these, and we're going to have a go of putting them on. Now there's two. I thought there was two, one for each door on each side, but there isn't. There's both of them go on the door. So I'm going to have a look to see how they go on. So this is the door. Can't see how they come off. Ah, they come off that way. They come off that way. So there's the two broken bits. Put them down there. Then the door's like that. This has to feed up like that. And this one feeds down like so. That's not in properly, and I can't get it off. I can help. That's on. Ah, because there's a bit of plastic caught in it. That's it. So there you go, that's the two hinges on. Now how they fit in here is going to be fun. I think that slides in up there. Maybe you should put these on the door first, I'm not sure. So that one's... This is good, isn't it? That was meant to happen. So that's in there like that. That's in there like that. That one's not on properly, so that needs to go in there. Let's see. There we go. If you come around here, you can see the top one will not slide down because the bottom one's in the way, and the bottom one can't slide up because the top one's in the way. And that is how you fix a hinge. So, if your hinge is broken, it's a very easy fix. We paid £14 for this, but I have seen them for about £8–9 if you want to order them on Amazon. Don't know, I haven't got the link for it. And they are just the affected hinge pin doors. which I think are most locker doors, and there only seems to be the one size of them. So if it does happen to you, easy fix.